Hello guys, welcome back to your home food, Harry's Food. Let's make Italian pizza today. Take 5 tomatoes and put it into a boiling water and take it out after 1 minute and remove the skin. Now blend the tomatoes in a blender and make a paste. Now gather all the ingredients as per your hygiene for topping. Take 4 garlic, 2 onions, 2 green chilies and chop it into small pieces. Now chop some vegetable leaves with tomato into small pieces. Heat 2 tablespoons olive oil with a butter on it. Now put all the chopped ingredients and vegetables into fry pan and fry it. Now put the grinded tomato paste into the fry pan and fry it. Chicken pizza needs chicken pieces, so cut chicken pieces, and if you want to make pepperoni pizza, then take beef pieces. Cut some meat into small pieces for topping. For making a pizza bread babla, which means peda, the necessary ingredients are: take 50 ml of warm water, 4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of dried or fresh yeast, and mix it well and scramble it by using a scrambling machine. Now take a flour and drop it on a surface for making a bread. Now prepare the babla, which means peda, by using the scrambling machine and the ingredients. Apply the pizza sauce topping, the sausages which we have made earlier. Topping game begins. Put some butter, mozzarella cheese topping and olives before getting the pizza into an oven for baking. Now put the pizza into an oven at about 220 degrees Celsius and wait for the pizza to come out after 15 minutes. Here you go, your pizza is ready to serve or to eat. Extra topping lovers can add extra topping after cooking the pizza. Now your pizza is ready to eat or to serve, and don't ever forget to help poor. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get the latest videos.